Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to beat goalkeeper with ball roll. To perform ball roll, firstly make sure your player has at least 2 stars of dribbling skill. Next, if you are running to the right or left position, simply push the right analog upwards or downwards. If you are running to the bottom or top, push it left or right. To beat goalkeeper with this skill, you have to prepare for his attack and then push the analog upwards or downwards depending on your position. If you are going from the top of the pitch like this, push the analog upwards. If you are running from the bottom, push the analog downwards. If you are running from the center, push it upwards or downwards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.